1964 Oldsmobile 98 convertible here at Unique Specialty and Classics. 394 cubic inch V8 underneath hood that's paired up with an automatic transmission. Nicely equipped power steering, power brakes, AC. Technician did note the compressor will engage on the AC. It's still R12, but it is not cold. Let's take a look at the chrome up front. Bright work. There's a couple little dingers in the chrome or the bright work that you can see. It is A code for paint, so this is an original ebony black car. $370 for trim, so black interior. Now the paint in this car, it definitely shows its age. It's had some touch up. There's some light scratching. Does it have a nice shine to it? Absolutely. It's one of those, drive it the way you see it, or if you want to take it to the next level, the exterior would need a little TLC, and we'll get into some more of that in a moment. But first, I want to tell you where to check out the still pictures. You're going to be able to see the underside, interior, engine bay, trunk, and those still pictures can be seen at uniqueclassiccars.com. If you're watching this video on YouTube, click on the link down below the video in the description. That's going to take you right to our website. Of course, you can call us, 507-386-1726. Check out the Oldsmobile, and I believe this is a wheel cover. They're quite heavy duty. There's an extra one that goes with, so I'll show you that in a second. White wall radials. We're missing an emblem up in the front. Like I said, this is one of those cars, we've had it out running and driving. Jason's going to take it, show you how it goes down the road, but it would need some TLC to take it to the next level. You can see down this panel on this rear quarter, we do have some dings. Bodywork's not perfect. Interior seats have been recovered. Here's some new vinyl. Those look good. Carpeting shows its age a little bit on the interior. There is some things that are going to go with this. So let's start with this wheel cover. And like I said, this is kind of a heavy duty, it's like bolt-on wheel cover. The jack, of course, rear view mirror for the passenger side hood that would need the mirror, the glass in it, some fabric, and then some new carpeting. So I shouldn't say new, let's put it this way. There's some carpeting that will go with it. Looks like it may have been used and came out of a similar car, but in decent shape. A little better than what's in it. And you'll see the carpeting in the still pictures. And again, uniqueclassiccars.com. Chrome in the rear bumper. You can see we have a little corrosion back here. A little dinger. And then again, just that kind of light scratching that you see on black paint. There's some touch-up spots. Make you aware of that. We will put the convertible top up here at the end. Check out the condition of that. And like I said earlier, Jason will take it for a drive, show you how it goes down the road. If you like these big Oldsmobiles, or maybe just big GM luxury cars in general, no matter what year, go ahead and subscribe to our YouTube channel. You never know what you're going to see come through here at Unique Classic Cars. Videos are uploaded daily, and when these videos are uploaded, the vehicles in them are available to purchase. And again, you can see the paint has a nice shine to it. See the reflection. It's just, there are blemishes, there's touch-up spots. Let's take a little closer look at this interior. One thing I did note is I've not gotten these interior lights, ones below the dash, to go off. I've messed with the switch a little bit. It would not go off. There's a battery disconnect on it, so the battery doesn't go dead. We've just been unhooking that. Power windows do work. We'll run those up. Factory power seat. And again, as far as the seat, it's really free of any major rips, tears, holes. Seat belts intact in the front. It's a white vinyl top that we'll check out here in a bit. Aftermarket stereo, and that is working. Let's see, a couple things technician that looked at this wanted to note. Again, you want to go through it as far as brakes are 80% in the front, 80% in the rear. Was a wheel cylinder that leaked a little bit. Turn signal switch was touchy. Tires are 2009. So that's a little background on some of the things you can expect to deal with. So We're in park. Electric fuel pump, I can hear it. Dash looks good. Car's always fired up real easy every time I've started it to drive it. Notice the front speaker crackles a little bit. Rear speaker works great. Go ahead and slip around behind this so you can hear it run. Door closes nicely. Let's slip up to the front and take a peek underneath the hood. Might be able to get this one-handed. There it is. Plenty of V8 power, and again, power steering, power brakes. AC, as you can see, everything's hooked up over here on the AC. Technician did note compressor kicks on and off. Still R12, but would need some attention to blow cold. Hood liner showing its age some. All right, let's go ahead, get this convertible top up so we can check out that. We'll have Jason take it for a drive. And convertible top up. So power top, as you can see, functions as it should. Nice tight fit above the windshield, white vinyl, rolled up the power windows also. You have to be firm with the switches on the door panel on the driver's side, but they all work. This driver's side one needed just a little assistance going all the way to the top. Plastic rear window, so you're aware of that. So no real rips, tears, holes. A little bit of the insulation coming out on this driver's side, but doesn't look bad. The interior. If you needed to keep you dry out of the rain or sun, would serve that purpose. Side glass doesn't fit too bad. I will show you it going back down into the storage area. There you go, 1964 Oldsmobile 98 convertible. Again, some care to take it to the next level. It is running, driving, stopping. Jason's going to take it for a drive. But some things will need attention. Number to call, 507-386-1726, uniqueclassiccars.com. And yes, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email. Stick around. I'll finish this top up going down. You can see how it goes down the road.
Hey, it's George from Motorhood Podcast at Unique Classic Cars.
Hey, and this is Jeremy, and we're here to tell you where you can find our podcast. So first off, on all the Audible platforms, including Spotify, iHeart, etc., and also right here on the YouTube channel where you can find all of our episodes,
as well as the rest of our shenanigans.
a few other fun things that we'll do.
And when in doubt,
Gas it.
Welcome to Motorhood.
Today we're driving a 1964 Oldsmobile 98. This is a convertible. We have the top up today. Beautiful black and chrome interior and black and chrome exterior. This is an automatic on the column, which makes it easy to drive. Our turn signals are both working. I'm getting a little bit of noise from the brake when it is not pressed currently. Our wipers work on this car. We have a radio, aftermarket radio down below. That is working well. Speedometer working. Fuel gauge showing a little less than half of a tank. We are clock equipped over here. The rest would be warning lights. Nice ride down the road from this car. I don't know if you heard that. The brakes stopped making noise when pressed. Brakes are working. They do pull to the right when you press them. Horn works. Comfortable bench seat in this car. Easy to steer. Nice rumble coming out the back. Starts up and idles nicely. Check out all the pictures of this 64 Old 98 at uniqueclassiccars.com.